Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add a passkey in Binance for security. Open the Binance app and go to your account section or center. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen, then select security. Now tap passkeys or biometrics, then click on add passkey. Binance might ask you to verify with your current passkey or 2FA device before continuing. A pop-up will appear showing your Binance account email address. Just tap continue, then choose one of the available passkey methods to create your passkey. Depending on your device, choose one of the following options: an iCloud keychain, USB or NFC security key, another device, and Google Password Manager. Just once setup is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. A passkey has been successfully added to your Binance account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.